Hello everyone. So today I'm going to open and review a fidget with you, as I always do. Kind of a strange one, except the studio itself, which is Metilis, because it's written on the fidget itself. I have no more information on it. Got it at a bargain, like $48. So I always like a deal. Let's open it. Let's just, as always, some some evidence for AliExpress. They want everything. It will be blurred out, but don't worry. It's a short moment. It's trusty knife, as always. It's been with me through a lot, this knife. So, take it outside. Nothing more. Put it to the side. Okay. Just a bubble wrap. Nothing fancy. Oh, cool. Even gave me a small case. Metilis. That's a great touch with their little, I guess, alien. Always look to me like an alien. Like the X is his eyes to like ears on the top, like bear ears. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Super duper cool. I love merchandising. And again, the clips. Yep. Yep. So, very cool touch. Metilis, as you can see. Metilis each sole. EDC. Trying to like, I will like zoom in for people. Metalize each sole. Nice. Address. Shenzhen, Guangdong. Metilis. This is also. Okay. So, it had two variations, pay and pick. I'm more of a pick guy myself. So, this is the pick version. Some balls and springs and nuts and stuff. And this is the actual fidget itself. I like the design. The design and the material, super duper light. I like pick. Just zoom out for a second. Let's open it and see how it is. Yep, opened. Super extra light. Okay, so cool logo. Let's try to zoom in on it. Metilis. They've been putting out some great things, this company, so nice to have another one for the collection. As you can see, Metilis. Fucking light. What can I do? Anyway, you can see, very very cool, in my opinion. So let's try it for the first time with you. Wow, I was not expecting that. First of all, great ergonomics. Love the design. There's something here. Zoom in, as always. MTD DSK 073. Yes, Commander. I don't know what that means, but that's... Man, really cool. When I do it close to the microphone, just for a second, it's very quiet. Now, because of this doohickeys thing, probably has a way to dismantle it and maybe customize it a little. Let's see if I can pinpoint somewhere. No, just a lanyard hole, which is cool, actually. When it's like this, you can never know. So, if anyone is interested, yes, there is a lanyard hole. Oh, paracord, lanyard, I don't know. I'm old school. I use lanyard. What can I say? We used to say lanyard, but now it's all paracord. Yay! Anyway, just a little bit of shenanigans, like a nice pattern in here. Really nice touch. Maybe can dismantle it from here somehow, or something like that. Again. Let me just put it here for a second. I want to try something. Just bear with me because. Just a second. Sorry. Now let's try it again. Yes, yes. My hands were a little slippery, so I can do it. Try to do it very, very one by one. Super cool. Super cool. And again, under $50. Super duper approve of it. I don't know. Great fidget to have. There's always a pay version, but again, I'm a big guy myself if I can choose. Metilis, really like the logo. And the material is very nice. Like, I know it's thick, but very smooth and even a bit shiny. Metilis. So, if anybody is interested, a fine addition to any collection for sure. Super duper light, big paracord line, like dance track with a snap at the end. Very nice. I like it. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it. So, thank you for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.